guys, my name is Keandra. I host videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and today is going to be another half wig video. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. This wig's from OQHair. They sent me over this kinky curly half wig. It's matching my hair texture really well. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how I get this look.
Now let's get straight into the unboxing. Here's the box from OQHair. So we're just going to open it up and then I'm going to show you guys what came in the box. So here's the wig. It came with some hair clips. It also came with some wig caps. Okay, let's open it up and let's look at the construction. It has a comb in the middle, 2 combs on the side. Let's flip it over. It has a drawstring in the back also with the comb in the back. Now let's put on the wig. It was very easy to put on. I'm just going to attach the combs into my anchor braid and then I'm going to put the wig on. Now let's define these curls. I'm getting my spray bottle with some water. This is a kinky curly texture, so we're going to see what the curls look like. Now I would highly suggest that you co-wash this hair before you install it, but I didn't really have the time, so I just defined the curls straight out the bag. With the extreme line gel, and I'm just going to run that through the hair and we're just going to define the curls a little more. Now we're just going to keep spraying more water because I really want the curls to pop. And excuse my voice, your girl allergies are on 10 because it's springtime. It is now time to take out the leave out. So we are going to take the leave out and then we're going to define our leave out with some edge control, water, and a little bit of gel. Now we're just going to take our brush and we're just going to brush that back and blend it as good as we can. And here's the final results. What do you guys think about this wig? Now I let the wig dry a little bit and this was the final results. I really love this wig. I think it looks really cute, very natural.
Now that concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know where you guys are getting your half wigs from, B-part wigs, because that is totally up my alley. I am not a closure lace girl because I just don't know how to do that. But thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.